Today, I will show you a great tool for saving game data that is essential for game development. First, I will show you one of the very popular games, Pirates, just to demonstrate my points. So, the goal of the games is to go around collecting treasure chests, shooting down the enemy ships, and discover new area. When developing this kind of games, some issues may appear. You see, Pirates has a lot of game content. You have to play and discover more of it. But when making a new features, you have to specifically test at some stage or some level. It is quite frustrating and time consuming just to play to that stage to test a new features. For example, I have to play to a certain stage to unlock the octopus so I can shoot it down. Next, some strange bugs may occur with a certain kind of data that you cannot reproduce. And I think for testing player experience, your game designers needs to productively test each of the level. So I will show you this tool and it can save you a lot of time. And it is very simple to make. Let's do it. This is how the tools works. So every game has its own saved data. This is the data that the user creates by playing the game. For example, in this picture, you can see that the user played to the point that it unlocked the Kraken monster. What you're gonna do is you're gonna copy those data files and save it to another folder. So the folder is gonna look like has multiple data files. Stage 1, Stage 2. If you find any strange bug, you can save its data and then restore it later for further debugging. You're gonna save the data that you have like 10k of gold. So when you restore it, you have less time to play the game and collecting the resources. Or you can have, sometimes you can have the data of damage equal to 2, shield equal to 3, something like this. So you can test how the ship is gonna work. Next, you're gonna manage the data files in that folder. The tool's gonna be able to create data files, search the data file, delete the existing data files, and most importantly, restore it. So, for example, if you're delivering new features for your games, and you're gonna make sure that in this data, the features gonna work fine. You don't have to like play around and get to that stage or that level. You can just restore the data and testing those features. So this is the end results look like. You can ask AI to do it for you. Or if you can get this video to 100 likes, I can make another video explaining how I made this tool. But this is in AI era. You should ask AI. I already have the plan mapped for you. As you can see, in here I have a list of the dataset file. We have Kraken, Pirate, Stage 1, Stage 3, Streambug, and Treasure. You can see the save file here has the content of 1, 2, 3 right here. What I will do is I will save the current file so I can restore it later. 1, 2, 3 right here. And then I will show how to restore the Kraken content by using restore. You can see now the content has turned to Kraken. Next, if I want to test the 1, 2, 3 data file again, I can just restore it. There you go. Pretty easy, right? And I can just search for it like Kraken, stage. That's all. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.